Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are coming across this channel for the very first time, my name is Ace and welcome to my kitchen. So in today's video, we'll show you how I prepare this delicious and yummiest tuna sauce. So if you want to know how I prepare this delicious yummy sauce, keep on watching to the very end of this video. And this sauce, you can use it to eat rice, indomie, anything of your choice. These are my ingredients: my green pepper, my onions, my blended onions and tomatoes, my tuna which I'll be using, and all my ingredients: black pepper, ginger powder, curry powder, and garlic powder sauce, and the seasoning cube. And here is my tomatoes. So these I've introduced my ingredients. Let's go straight to the cooking. So my pot is already on the fire, so I'm going to add my oil to it, and I will add my salt and onions. Also, I will be adding a little bit of seasoning powder. Yeah, this is optional. If you like, you can do this. If you don't like, just go ahead and cook your food, okay? So I will allow these onions to steam because I need that aroma. No, when you are steaming the onions, the aroma that comes with it is just so. So after that, I will add my blended habanero pepper and onions. Then I will stir it together, allowing to stay for 1 minute. Then I will add my tomatoes. After adding my tomatoes, I will stir then and we go ahead and add my cube, my seasoning cube, and all my ingredients, my black pepper, curry powder, garlic powder, salt, everything. And now I add it, then I will stir together very well that the seasoning can mix into the sauce very well. Okay, after that, I will go ahead and take the olive oil out of the tuna. That's what I'm doing there. I'm taking the olive oil out of the tuna because we don't really need that oil in our sauce. That's why I'm taking it out. This is our tuna. Then I'm going ahead to steam my tuna. Yes, I don't need the oil. I need to steam it like this. If you are cooking your sauce, make sure if you are giving this tuna sauce a try, make sure you steam your tuna like this. It's very good and it's very nice. Give it a good taste. You will enjoy it if you are giving it a try. So this is it. After steaming, you will see all the oil is hard. Make sure you lower your gas so that you will not go and burn your, and give it a constant stirring. See what I'm doing there? Constant stirring. You will be stirring it all the time. See, all the oil is hard. So now I go back to my sauce. So my sauce is dry, as you can see there. It's dried. Yes, I cook it very well. Make sure that everything was okay with it, and I test for salt. It was fine. Then I will transfer my tuna into the sauce. Yes, then I stir together very well again. After stirring, then I will go ahead and add my green pepper. Then I will stir together again and I'll leave it to cook for 4 minutes. Yes, only 4 minutes. I don't want it to overcook because my sauce has been cooked before. So after then, our sauce is ready. So this is the outcome of our sauce. It's very, very delicious, guys. Trust me, you will want to give this a try. Then I will be eating it with spaghetti this afternoon, but you can still eat it with spaghetti or pasta, rice, even yam, anything of your choice. So this is it, and it looks so delicious. Okay, if you haven't subscribed to this our YouTube channel, guys, please consider subscribing and turn on your notification bell so that anytime we upload a new video, you'll be notified. See you in the next video. Bye, guys.